Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to change context length in Ollama. As you can see, I've already opened the Ollama UI. To change the context length, you need to click on this icon on the top left, then go to settings. And here at the bottom, you will find context length. By default, it is always 4K, but you can drag it all the way to the right. But the question is how much you can drag. It depends upon the model that you are using. Let's go to Ollama website. Now here, click on the models. Let's pick the very first model. Scroll a bit. So you can see the maximum context length is 256K. But in case if you are using some small model, for example, this one. So you can see you can go maximum up to 8K. So I hope you understood how to change context length in Ollama. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.